term, quality use of 2100W Philips Induction Cooktop. The Philips HD49500 and Philips HD49201 are excellent options that offer durability and high performance. While many Philips models are reliable, the HD49500 includes enhanced surge protection, a crucial feature for longer lifespan. Philips HD49500W Induction Cooktop. This model is built with durability in mind, including a feature to protect against voltage fluctuations that can damage electronics over time. Safety features includes AAA MOV, metal oxide varistor, for 4 kW surge protection and overheat protection. This is a key feature for a long-lasting appliance. Controls. It uses a feather touch control panel that is easy to clean and operate. Power and cooking modes. Offers 11 preset menus for preparing a variety of Indian dishes. Build. The cooktop features a high-quality glass panel for a sleek look and easy cleaning. Portability. Weighs 2.37 kg, making it lightweight and easy to move if needed. Philips HD49201W Induction Cooktop. A popular and long-standing model from Philips, this cooktop is noted for its efficiency and ease of use, with positive long-term user reviews. Safety features. Comes with an auto-off function and a cool two-touch ceramic surface. Controls. Features a simple touch panel and an easy-to-use digital display. Power and cooking modes. Includes 8 power levels and 6 preset menus for Indian cooking. Performance. The 2100W power rating allows for fast heating and efficient cooking. Ease of cleaning. Has a smooth ceramic surface that is simple to wipe clean. How to maximize longevity. To ensure your induction cooktop provides the best quality performance for many years, consider these tips. Use proper cookware. Only use induction-compatible cookware with a flat, magnetic base. Using undersized or oversized pans can damage the appliance and lead to uneven cooking. Check power capacity. Make sure your kitchen outlet has the correct ampere rating, ideally solar, to handle the 2100W power load. An improper power supply can reduce the cooktop's lifespan. Allow for proper cooling. Ensure there is enough space for ventilation around the cooktop. Fans on induction models help disperse heat and prevent the internal components from overheating, so blocking them can cause damage. Protect from voltage spikes. Although some Philips models have surge protection, for extra safety during power fluctuations, consider using a good quality voltage stabilizer. Handle with care. Treat the glass surface carefully to avoid scratches or cracks. Use non-abrasive cleaners and soft cloths for cleaning. When a Philips 2100W induction cooker is damaged, the repair approach depends on the nature of the damage. For major internal problems or physical damage, a Philips authorized service center is the safest option. For minor issues, you can perform basic troubleshooting yourself. Before you begin. Before performing any checks, ensure the unit is unplugged and has been completely cooled down to avoid electric shock and burns. For major repairs, contact a Philips authorized service center. For serious issues like a cracked cooktop surface, internal electrical faults, or if basic troubleshooting fails, it is recommended to contact a professional. Locate a service center. Use the Philips Service Center Locator tool on their domestic appliances website. You can also find authorized service centers on platforms like Gadgets 360 and Just Dial. Customer support. You can call Philips customer care at 1800-103-1235 or use their online support options to get assistance or schedule a service appointment. For minor issues, common troubleshooting steps. If the problem is not a major electrical fault or physical damage, you can attempt to diagnose it yourself. If the cooktop won't turn on, check the power supply. Ensure the induction cooker is properly plugged into a working power outlet and that the main switch is on. If using an extension cord, check that it is also functioning. Reset the circuit. Tripped circuit breakers or blown fuses are common causes of power issues. Check your fuse box and reset the relevant circuit breaker or replace the fuse. Perform a hard reset. Disconnect the cooker from the power supply for at least 5 minutes before plugging it back in. This can clear minor electronic glitches. If the cooker is not heating, verify compatible cookware. Induction cookers require ferromagnetic cookware, pots and pans with a high iron content, to work. Use a magnet to check the bottom of your pot or pan. If the magnet sticks firmly, the cookware is compatible. Ensure correct placement. The cookware should be placed in the center of the cooking zone, and its base should not be too large or too small for the ring marked on the cooktop. Clean the surface. Spills or debris on the cooktop can sometimes interfere with the sensors. Clean the surface with a damp cloth and make sure it is completely dry before use. If the cooker is beeping or showing an error code, check for mismatched cookware. Continuous beeping often occurs when the sensor fails to detect a pan. This can be caused by incompatible cookware or a pan being removed from the cooking plate. Identify the error code. Many Philips models use an error code, e.g., E0, E5, E6, on the display to indicate a specific problem. E0, no pan detected. E5 or E6, voltage supply is too high or too low. Check your power supply. E2, E3, or E4. These can also indicate power supply issues or high internal temperatures, depending on the model. Consult the manual. Check your specific model's user manual for a list of error codes and their meanings. If you don't have it, search for it on the Philips website using your product's model number. If buttons are not responding, check for a safety lock. Many induction cookers have a child lock feature. Look for a lock symbol and press and hold it for several seconds to deactivate it. Clean the control panel. A dirty or wet control panel can prevent touch buttons from responding correctly. Wipe the area clean and dry. Currently active sales. Flipkart Big Billion Days Sale. This annual sale is currently live and runs from September 23 to 4 October 2025. It features deep discounts across various categories, including electronics, fashion, and home appliances. Upcoming sales. Flipkart Shopping Utsav Sale. Scheduled to start around 14 October 2025. Flipkart Diwali Sale. Set to begin around 10 November 2025. Flipkart Black Friday Sale. Expected to start on 25 November 2025. How to find sales. Flipkart Offers Store. Visit the official Flipkart Offers Store to find all live sales, upcoming deals, and discounts. Deals Magnet Flipkart Store page. This page also lists Flipkart sales and offers. How to place an order. Search for products. Navigate the Flipkart website or app to find the items you want to buy. Add to cart. Once you find a product, add it to your shopping cart. Checkout. Proceed to the checkout.